No, we are going to discuss about manipulation of data, how to manipulate the data. So it's mentioned that create SAS variable with the assignment statement in data step, create data values by using the operators including SAS function, SAS variable by using drop and keep statement. So these all we discuss. It is written in here in some using some terms, some terminology of SAS. Okay. Otherwise, we discuss everything in previous sections. Let's see that how.
Sorry, we didn't discuss about drop and keep.
Pardon?
We didn't actually discuss about drop and keep.
We haven't discussed about drop and keep.
No.
Okay, we'll see, because that is what we are going to have in this section. Okay.
Okay.
So here we have the same business scenario. A new SAS dataset named work.comp need to be created by reading the Orion sales dataset. Work.comp must include the following new variables: bonus, which is equal to a constant 500; compensation, which is the combination of employee salary and bonus; and bonus month, which is equal to the month that the employee was hired. So these are the three requirements. We need to follow these requirements and accordingly create new dataset called work.comp. Okay.
Okay.
So this is my basic data, Orion.sales.
Okay.
Okay. So in Orion.sales we have employee ID, first name, last name, gender, salary, blah blah. Okay. So there are a lot of informations. Out of this, we have to create a data set wherein first name, employee ID, first name, last name, bonus, compensation and bonus month is the part of my new data. Okay. So in that case we are going to use existing SAS data set. Okay. My employee sales data is a SAS data set. I'm using that existing SAS data set and creating a new data set called this comp data in the work library. Okay.
Okay.
So what all we need to have in my program, that bonus is equal to 500, which is the constant value, where gender is equal to male, this is character constant, hire date is equal to 1st April 2008, this is date constant, and where new salary is equal to what, 10% more than of the existing salary. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to create a new salary column.
That is how we want it.
That is how we want.
The new data.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. This is how we want. If you go through the format, I want this. Okay, because by that basis I will calculate this bonus. So for that we need to, there are certain this arithmetic operators which we use in SAS. These are exponential, negative prefix, multiplications, division, addition and subtractions. Okay.
Yeah.
If I talk about the priorities, that how SAS prioritize in case it encounter multiple expressions or multiple symbols. Okay. So for that there are certain rules in mathematics. Okay. So SAS follow those rules, and these rules are called BODMAS rules. BODMAS. Okay. So SAS exactly follow the same rule.
Okay.
And following those rules, the priority is given. This is prioritized that what kind of you can say mathematical function is done in first go, what in second go, what in third go, like this. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have idea about this BODMAS rule?
No.
Just a moment. I'm just going to explain, because you cannot mug up it It's very difficult to mug up. Okay.
Okay.
B O D M A S. Okay. B is for
Okay.
bracket. O is for off or. D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition, and S for subtraction.
Okay.
Fine. So suppose
Alright.
there is equation given, uh, 5 multiply okay like this. Okay.
Okay.
So what happens? It becomes very difficult for any package to understand that at what time do what. Here, does it
Yeah.
perform 35 minus 200 first? Okay, or it does 25 multiply 12, then add 35, then minus 200, like this.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
for that, this rule is devised, and this rule says that first take care of bracket, then take care of off, then take care of division. First do division, then do multiplication. In case you are facing both the problems, both are together. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what
Okay.
we learn in our senior secondary or secondary syllabus.
Okay.
Okay. So
Alright.
accordingly this priority is given. So you can just think multiplication,
Yeah.
then division, then addition, then subtraction. So just compare this multiple, division, addition, and subtraction.
Okay.
So that is how this board mass rule follows. Okay. So mathematically these rules are followed. Okay. SAS prioritize this way. Okay.
Alright.
Because what we do, we try to recall something in terms of some narration, some story, some sentences and all. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are going to discuss about SAS functions. Okay. That what all functions we have in SAS. Like suppose I want to add salary and bonus. I have two variables called salary and bonus. So I have one way wherein I just write compensation is equal to salary plus bonus, like